Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create a group chat in Messenger. So make sure that you updated the app to the latest version so you can actually have access to all the new features. Next step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open up my Messenger, right? Now, in order to create a new group, what I'm going to do, I'm going to initiate a new message or new chat. I'm going to click at the top right, the pencil right here icon. And basically, I'm going to just go ahead and, or I have two options. I can just initiate conversation between more than one people, like go ahead to that person and click the plus button again and just choose another person, and now you just created a group. Or you could just go ahead and initiate a chat right here basically and just click create a new group, and basically you can select the people that you want to add to this group basically. And afterwards, what's gonna happen, you're gonna just go ahead and hit create at the top, and you can just add the name of that group if you wanted to at the top. And just basically after you click create, the group will be created right here. You're gonna see it on the blank or the chat right here. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.